This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joan Cross. Great opportunity. Welcome home to this spacious, immaculate, light and bright 3-bedroom/2-bath first-floor condo on Lake Orienta. Sliding doors and an oversized dining room window invite in all the light. Lounge on your screened patio opening to a grassy landscaped area, steps from the pool. The kitchen renovation added beautiful hardwood floors, tile counters and solid wood cabinets. The wall to the dining room is open, allowing in all the light and providing a view for the chef. Your inside laundry is conveniently located in the kitchen closet. This end unit offers extra windows and a lake view from the large primary bedroom and sitting area. This established complex includes 2 pools, a clubhouse, fitness center, tennis courts, kayak/canoe racks, and shuffleboard courts. If you enjoy boating and water sports, moor your pontoon boat on the shore by your condo or store your kayak, canoes or paddle boards on racks. Capistrano is conveniently located to shopping, restaurants and Advent Hospital. There is very easy access to the nearby communities of Maitland, Winter Park, Longwood, Lake Mary and downtown Orlando via I-4 or the SunRail. Looking for a turnkey move? Furniture is optional, well appointed and comfortable. For more information, review the details below.